It's raining, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay, the plan is that I'm going to be just wandering around until 10 a.m. because then it should stop raining and it should be like better, basically. And I wanna take photos, so yeah. Oh, and also I need to do my makeup and stuff. Okay, so I got ready and now I will be going to eat something. Then after that I'm going on the bridge to take some photos with Mount Fuji and etc. And yeah, so basically this is all my stuff and I have an umbrella. And yeah. This is Mount Fuji. There it is. There it is. I was scared that I wouldn't see Mount Fuji because it's raining. It was like everything is so fucking wet and like yeah. So I'm really happy that it worked out and that Mount Fuji is visible. Yeah. Now I am waiting for like 12 a.m., 11 a.m. at least, so that the clouds will go, and yeah, I think I am on the right street. Am I? I have no idea. By the way, I haven't seen any foreigners here, so I feel weird. I feel like this typical gaijin. Like, yeah. But anyway, yeah, they are all kind. Nobody told me that I am a gaijin. That means I am a good foreigner, I think. This place feels like more typical normal Japan, I would say. Like, you know, the streets are not so crowded, the architecture is like everything is Japanese basically, and I feel good. Like it's good to switch off from like city like Osaka to little town. I am really glad that I came here and not a place like Lake Kawaguchiko, etc. Because look at this! It's empty, basically. It's amazing, and like the vibe is so cool. I love this hat, by the way. I got it in H&M. Cool. this is the best drink that I ever had. Oh my god, it's so good. A really nice Japanese man just told me to wait a little and showed me a good spot from where the Fuji will be visible, and oh my god, I am waiting. I just spent like 6 hours with a Chinese girl, and like she wasn't speaking English, we were communicating only via Google Translate, and it was amazing. Come on, like language is not a barrier if you really don't describe it as a barrier. Come on, especially nowadays. So yeah, I am happy. I'm going to check in, and today will be just a lazier day because I wanna like really rest. Yeah. Okay, hi guys, I got ready and basically I'm going to Tokyo today. This is the outfit. I still need to go to Shibuya to buy some clothes because yeah, I need some t-shirt and stuff because today is also a firework festival, so yeah, that's pretty cool, I would say.
The doors on the right side will open.
Okay, I arrived at Odawara, something like that. And my train is at 11, so I am waiting. So I thought, okay, let's walk like through this region for some time, because I have like 20-30 minutes till I have to be back here again. Okay, change of the plans because it's raining and I don't want to get wet, because I am meeting a friend of mine today and I am going to firework festival. Yeah. Okay, taste test. It's okay.